happy Tuesday. This week's video is going to feature a helpful tip that I think you will find very useful during this time of moving your business online, whether you're selling products, services, or experiences. One thing that we often can have a challenge with is communicating how to do things well to our customers when we have changed how they normally do business. So for example, if you have a service that you're moving online and you want to be able to walk your customers virtually through using that experience, it can be easier to do this with a screen share and a video at the same time rather than just using video alone. So there's actually a free app called Loom that you can use to do this. You can either do it just for video messaging, just for screen sharing, or what I prefer to do, which is a combination of both. So you can have your image in a circle in the lower left-hand corner, and you can actually walk your customer through how to use your site. So you could do one of these videos and then share the link on social media. You can embed it in your website. There's a number of different ways you can use it, but it's a really helpful, user-friendly way to share how to do something. And the great thing about it is you can actually get notified when the person views your video, so you will know whether they did in fact follow through and watch the Loom video. So if you have any questions about using this extension, you can comment below. But once again, if you use Google Chrome, you're just going to go to your More Tools up in the top bar to Extensions and then search for the Loom extension. And I'm going to go ahead and add after this video a little screenshot and screen share of what it looks like. As I mentioned previously, I wanted to give you a quick screen share of what it looks like when you are recording and when your user will view your Loom video. So as I said before, you're going to go up here to these three dots and then click on More Tools and then your extensions, and you can search for Loom by name. It's Loom. And once again, you can see that I chose screen and camera and screen share. So that's why you're seeing me down here. You can change the size of the bubble. It can be bigger, it can be smaller. You can pause your recording if you want to go find something and then restart it. But it's a really handy way to be able to share a tutorial, to really walk your customer through something that you want them to see online, and then be able to just either download the video to embed it or just copy the link and send it to them in an email. And as I mentioned in the first half of the video, if you have any questions about using this tool, you can comment below and I'm happy